You can take that podium, sir.
Hi, can you hear me? Yeah, so I'll just give a brief introduction on the report which has been launched on the Viksit Bharat 2047. The report is basically laying down the foundation of, India has reached the fourth largest economy and the GDP is growing above 7%. The the CapEx funding is actually growing almost by 3x since FY21, and the logistics cost has fallen down, which is around 8% of GDP, approaching the global benchmarks. The banking stress is at low, and you've all seen the digital public infrastructure, which is translating into transforming the digital economy. So the report now talks about that we have this foundation, but it's no longer about the formation of a capital or stabilization or confidence. It's about how do we move for the quality on execution. Our challenge is to convert the momentum which we've created it towards the Viksit Bharat. That's what the report is talking about, based on our experience with working with government departments. What are the top 10 priorities with the government, and under this top 10 priorities, what the actions the government needs to take in order to achieve the 2047 Viksit Bharat. And within this, the top priorities which we are looking at obviously is creating the right talent, the quality of the talent. By 2050, what we assume is 1.1 billion and working population will be there. So that means we need to ensure that jobs and the talent is there in the market. Second, while we are doing manufacturing at scale, we need to deepen that manufacturing skills. We need to make our Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities as the engines of the growth. And obviously, MSME is a key factor for enabling the overall ecosystem of the manufacturing, of India becoming a manufacturing hub. Overall, we've seen the infrastructure growth happening. We need to ensure that the logistics cost reduces so that the trade increases within India. And finally, the focus is on the sunrise sectors. We need to start focusing on the sunrise sectors, which is, if I say, semiconductors, AI, earth minerals. So these are some of the sectors which the India needs to start focusing on. The report is completely actions which needs to be taken and across these broad 10 priorities. And we just wanted to bring in the fact that the next phase has to be not only converting our overall scale, which we've created on population, infrastructure, and capital, into measurable productivity, jobs, and global leadership. Please do download the report, which is at the QR code is available there. Please request all of you to please download it and go through it. It details all the action items. We are happy here in the couple of days, happy to take any questions. Thank you. Thanks a lot.